Children, let's begin our class. Welcome to Standard 4th, Subject Science, Lesson number 4, Solids, Liquids and Gases. Let's revise our previous topic, that is soluble and insoluble substances. In that topic, we had learnt that soluble substances are those substances that dissolve completely in a solvent to form a solution. For example, salt and sugar are soluble in water. Insoluble substances are those substances that do not dissolve completely in a solvent. For example, sand and chalk are insoluble in water. Now, let's start our today's topic, that is separation of substances. How can we separate these substances from a solution? There are many ways in which we can separate substances from a solution. Soluble substances can be separated by heating the solution. Let's see this video.
In this activity, we shall demonstrate how to separate salt solution by the process of evaporation. We have taken a glass of water and we are going to mix a spoon of salt into that. Stir it till the salt fully dissolves. We are going to pour this solution in this vessel and boil it till it evaporates. As you see, water has evaporated, leaving behind the salt. So, in this activity we can see how to separate the salt from the salt solution by the process of evaporation. You can perform this activity of heating salt solution under adult supervision at home.
Insoluble substances can be separated from a solution by the processes of filtration and sedimentation and decantation. Let's see the process of filtration in this video.
In filtration, a solution containing insoluble substance is passed through a filter paper. On doing so, the liquid passes through the filter paper, while the insoluble substance gets retained on the filter paper.
An example of filtration used at homes is the separation of tea leaves from tea using a strainer.
Next is sedimentation and decantation.
Let's start our activity of sedimentation and decantation. For this activity, we need one empty glass and a sample of muddy water. some muddy water in the glass. It is a mixture of soil and water. During sedimentation, the liquid is left undisturbed for some time. Here, we are keeping this muddy water undisturbed for some time. The heavy insoluble solids means the mud particles settle down at the bottom of the glass. This process in which insoluble substances settle down is called sedimentation. Now, the upper clear water or liquid is poured into another container without disturbing the insoluble solids. This process is called decantation. In this way, we can separate mud and water by sedimentation and decantation.
Let's summarize what we have learned. There are many ways in which we can separate substances from a solution. Soluble substances can be separated by heating the solution. Insoluble substances can be separated from a solution by the processes of filtration and sedimentation and decantation. Hope you all have understood this topic. Here we have finished this lesson. Read the lesson carefully from the textbook. Let's check your homework of the previous topic. Today's homework: find out the answers of the following questions and write down in your notebook. Thank you.